Welcome to the future of road tripping freedom. Today, we're diving into a full review of the 2025 camper van that's redefining luxury on wheels. At first glance, the sleek exterior promises modern sophistication, but it's what's inside that really sets this model apart. As the rear doors swing open, you're immediately welcomed by a bright, spacious interior finished with warm wood paneling and clever LED lighting that runs across the ceiling, giving it a high-end, cozy cabin feel. To the left, the kitchenette is compact but fully functional. A 2-burner gas stove, deep sink, and a sleek countertop make meal prep easy, even on the go. Below, multiple drawers and cabinets offer ample storage, all soft close for that premium touch. Across from the kitchen, the couch looks simple, but converts into a bed with ease. Soft, neutral upholstery not only matches the van's modern aesthetic, but also ensures comfort whether you're lounging or catching some sleep. Above the cockpit is an overhead sleeping area, tucked just below the skylight. This loft-style bed is roomy and comes with privacy curtains, perfect for couples or small families needing extra sleeping space. The large side windows flood the interior with natural light and offer panoramic views of wherever you've parked, whether that's beside a mountain lake or a desert highway. Moving toward the front, the driver and passenger seats are fully rotatable, allowing you to turn them around and integrate them into your living space. The cab itself is outfitted with a digital dash, adaptive cruise control, and the latest infotainment system, making long drives both safer and more enjoyable. Storage is generous. Overhead cabinets line both sides of the van, and every square inch is used efficiently, from hidden compartments under the couch to shelving tucked behind paneling. Climate control is powered by a rooftop AC unit and a diesel heater below, so you're covered in all seasons. And with solar panels mounted on the roof feeding into a lithium battery system, you're not just off the grid, you're off the grid in style. The 2025 camper van is priced starting at $112,000, depending on the specific configuration and optional upgrades you choose. For those wanting to add features like 4WD, an extended lithium battery pack, or luxury tech packages, the cost can climb to around $130,000. In short, the 2025 camper van isn't just a vehicle. It's a mobile home designed for those who crave adventure, but don't want to compromise on comfort or technology. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your dream destination. Where would you take this van first?